Kasama ko ngayon si Joyce. It's Saturday and again another viewing day. Ayun na siya. Nagpa-practice na siya ng spill niya. So mag-review.
It's about 987 square feet.
Wow!
It's facing southeast.
Pinag-aralan niya yun.
It's facing southeast and it comes with a fake plant, a TV, a fireplace,
Yes.
some shelving,
Completely working.
heater,
Yan.
lighting, a bed.
May konting gamit pa kasi kami dito eh. Hindi pa namin nalilinis maigi.
And this could be your TikTok space.
Yun,
Put a green
no?
screen over here.
Anyway, malakas yung ulan we'll see, no? I think, assuming lang kami, no? Hindi ko alam, parang Filipino yung mag-review, no? Based on the profile nung nag-message.
And their last name. Their first name.
Yeah.
The first name pala giveaway na eh.
Giveaway na. So,
Yung nickname niya.
so we'll see. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mangyayari. You're prepared for the spill.
The price is firm. Tapos hindi pa tumatay. Gusto nyo ba?
Yeah. Sana makatagpo na kami ng tenant para sa unit na
Yeah,
to.
it doesn't leak. You're on the topmost floor.
No
There's
leaks.
no neighbor noise.
Mm-hmm.
You
Will be the noise.
neighbors for the second floor of your unit.
Ay, nako. Sana
You
magustuhan.
create the noise.
Magustuhan
You don't
nila.
hear it.
The next morning.
Good morning. And you are right, no? Sa nakikita nyo, we are here again sa ating unit. Bali, every week na lang, and nagpapasalamat tayo dito, we usually get regular viewing request sa ating rental unit. And that's a good sign. Meaning that yung paupa natin na pinost is somewhat attractive. So, I'm just really hoping for the best, no? May mga applicants na okay naman. It's just that siguro in the process of processing yung kanilang application or during the interview, meron ka talagang makakatch na parang, hindi ata ayos or parang i-risk ko ba na i-allow yung ganun klaseng tenant or opportunity. So, talagang nag-iingat lang tayo, no? Sa hirap ng panahon ngayon, it's not like pagka nagparentahan, nagbago isip mo, mabilis ka magpapaalis ng tenant. Hindi kasi ganun kadali eh. Imbis na makatulong sa'yo, baka mas maging burden pa mismo yung magiging tenant mo imbis na makaginhawa or makatulong sa pamumuhay mo dito sa Canada. So, talagang doble, triple, ingat talaga tayo sa pamimili natin. It's not naman na we're really being picky or we're nitpicking everything. Yung mga other things, kinukonsider na nga natin na parang nag-give in na tayo. Pero there are just some certain things na parang red flag. So, ito tayo ulit. Today is Saturday. At 9 o'clock in the morning, meron tayong schedule viewing dito sa unit natin. It's another promising family. Magkwento ko lang yung couple na nandito na yung meron silang nag-apply sila. They're just living, sabi ko nga, I think in one of my vlogs, just living in one of the streets near our area, and they plan to move kasi nga they want to upgrade and they want to have a family soon kasi they just recently got married last year. And so hindi sila nagtuloy. It's because nakahanap sila ng another property, more or less same rent. However, the difference is yung mismong building may amenity. So, I guess yun lang yung parang naging main factor kung bakit they decided to go for that property. Kasi nga dito sa building namin, walang amenities. Before, may gym, pero because of liability and yung intention for the homeowners, no, na to maintain or retain the existing strata fees. They decided to remove it. Tinanggal nila equipment, wala na nagbabantay doon, wala nang everything. Ginawa na lang storage, essentially, yung lugar na yon. Now, ang purpose noon, now, yun nga yung parang naging deciding factor nila kung bakit they decided to go and, pursue their application there as compared to here. Yun lang naman parang yung pinaka-main difference. It's, I think, 2 streets away from us, no? So, malapit lang din kasi preferred nila tong area na to kasi nga napaka-conducive for families. Napakalapit sa school, no? And yung lagi kong nababanggit pagka meron nag-viewing is if they're coming outside of, let's say, Richmond or maybe outside of central Richmond, essentially, yung insurance nila, even sa car, even yung home insurance nila, it will go down because of how good the community is here. I cannot emphasize na talagang gustong-gusto ko tong area na to. But, it's, anong oras na ba? 8:49 and I'm just gonna do a quick sweep nung lugar natin to see ano ba yung dapat na nakabukas, ano yung nakasara, para lang ma-feel nila yung parang homey feel, no? Sana ma-feel nila na parang I think this is the one for us. Oh, may ganun di ba? Anyway, kita nyo, no? Napakaganda ng araw ngayon. Mamaya nga, I believe you've already met yung friend namin ni Joyce na si Andre. Later, he will be sleeping over dito sa place namin to spend time with us, no, para hindi naman din siya mamagot. And then, ililibot na rin namin siya. Punta kami sa White Rock to have lunch. And then, para makita niya din kung ano bang meron sa White Rock. And then, hopefully, just casually spend some time with him. Mamaya, more kwentuhan, tawanan. Good thing, no, nakisama ang panahon. The weather is permitting right now. At least, walang ulan. I'm just crossing my fingers na alam mo yun, maging interesado yung ating viewer today. Kasi kahit kami, alam mo na, gusto na rin talaga natin makakuha ng tenant. Okay. Tapos na yung viewing natin. Again, sabi ko sa iyo, di ba? We're trying to be flexible as much as possible. Para lang sa ganun, we can, just rent this place and at the very least, find that close to perfect na tenant. Alam natin na wala talagang perfecto, no? Pero ang hinahanap talaga natin, essentially, is someone na aalagaan tong lugar natin. Hindi magiging problema in terms of pagbayad nung kanilang upa sa ating rental unit. I think siguro one aspect na kailangan naming isipin with this applicant is yung we want to make sure na talagang they would be able to pay the rent. Kasi the wife is working part-time. The husband has his own business, a handyman business. Ang sabi naman sa akin is, although nagbigay sila sa akin here, yung income nila here in Canada is borderline what is required, which is, ideally, it should be 30% of their household gross. Yung renta mo, nagpa-fall under that 30%. The more it increases, the more risk that a tenant will be taking. Now, having said that, inassure niya naman ako na sabi niya, if you need proof of funds or bank statements, my credit score, I'll provide all of that sa inyo for your consideration para malaman man namin na talagang makakabayad sila. They can also direct deposit yung kanilang upa, sa amin para no problem. I guess that's the consideration na kailangan namin talagang pag-isipan dahil yet again, we're talking about, having a tenant move in, not really working full-time, the employment letter daw that will come after the fact. But they assured me yung husband is unable to speak good English. They're Hong Kong Chinese family. but the wife is good naman in speaking in English. They mentioned that they also have a business in Hong Kong. Yung family daw yung nag-ooperate. I don't know. Sabi lang sa akin is they cannot disclose all of their funding here. Contractor. Ito na naman tayo sa usapang contractor. No? They're also, yung business nila daw sa Hong Kong, they are a contractor. Sana hindi tipong flood control contractor project ang dating. But they do have, and then the husband has a license for, doing work in Hong Kong. I think he's an expert in mechanical and waterproofing. Yeah, I think that was the certification na sinabi niyang meron yung husband niya. So yeah, nagbigay din siya ng mga suggestion, sabi niya if you want, you could put caulking here, you could put whatever. I appreciate, mukhang they're a good family. How, yun lang, kailangan talaga pag-usapan namin ni Joyce. Paano ba namin to i-address? But so far, the, everything seems promising, as always. Well, I'm really hoping na makakuha na talaga tayo ng tenant. They plan to move in, I think, first week of March. So, we will see kung talagang magtuloy-tuloy. Sana lang mag-balance out din yung mga checks namin para at least magkaroon na tayo ng first tenant dito. One good thing is they've stayed in their current place for about 4 years. It's about 500 square feet of a space. Nakalimutan ko lang itanong magkano ba yung rentang binabayad nila doon. There is an elementary school there, but there is no high school. Ang sabi ko sa nila, well, the advantage here is if you move your kid here, you have a elementary there, and then on the other street, there's a high school. They're interested, sabi niya, they're happy with the place, Maganda yung nakikita nila so far, and looks promising. Sabi ko nga sa inyo na we're just praying to God na kung if this is His will na ibibigay sa atin,
City
so
of
be it.
mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, city of mine.